Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can get dark mode in Google Chrome. It's pretty simple. So the first way to do it is through you can click on customize Chrome, and from under customize Chrome you can choose the dark color. Once you choose the dark color, your Google Chrome's color will change into something like this. Now that is one way to do it. The other way to do it is first you want to go to Chrome Web Store. So you want to search for Web Store and click on Chrome Web Store. And from over here on search you want to write dark mode, and then you can choose night theme, dark mode, whichever one you like. I will go for the first one and click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Once I do that, the dark mode themed extension will be added. Once it's added, what I can do is click on this little icon and click on dark mode, and if I do that, my dark mode will be turned on just like that. If I click on it again, it will be off. So right now you don't see any change, so let me just show you the change. So I'm going to change back to my normal color. So if I click on this extension over here, dark mode will be on and dark mode will be off. So right now, due to a bug, it's not working, but it should work for you. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.